Welcome to this meditation to release tension from your jaw. To begin, sit or lie down peacefully and have your eyes closed, angled downwards. Steady them behind closed lids. Take some nice easy breaths as you bring all of you into the meditation. Your mind is focused on your breathing, slowing it down to a nice relaxed rhythm. You are aware of your body sitting or lying down. If you are sitting, notice the weight of the lower half of your body against the chair or cushion. Breathe a nice long breath in, one that makes your belly rise, and allow it to fall in your own time. If you are lying down, feel your body heavy against the flat surface. Take another nice long breath in and let it out. Many people, including myself, tend to hold tension in the jaw. I usually experience it when I'm stressed or big changes are happening in my life. I have found the following movements, along with focused breathing, helps me to release the tension. Let's give them a go and see how you feel afterwards. Squeeze your face as tightly as you can, scrunching your lips and your eyes. Hold this squeeze and breathe in and out through your nose. Let go with your next exhale and soften your face completely. Have your mouth slightly ajar. Take a nice long conscious breath in and let it out. Now open your mouth as wide as you can and firmly stick your tongue out. Hold this and breathe in and out through your nose or mouth. Let go of the hold and take a nice conscious breath in and out. Raise your forehead up and down slowly a few times aligned with your breathing. Raising your forehead up as you breathe in and letting it go when you breathe out. Repeat that a few times, raising your forehead up as you breathe in and let it go when you breathe out. Take another nice conscious breath in and out. Open your eyes as wide as you can and focus on something close by. Keep breathing and steady them in their sockets. Take a nice conscious breath in and let it go as you relax your eyes too. Now smile an exaggerated smile as wide as you can with lips apart, tight across your teeth. Hold and breathe in through your nose. And when you exhale, let go of the hold. Take another nice conscious breath in. And let the breath move out of your body. Next, clench your jaw tightly, pressing your teeth and lips together firmly. Hold and breathe in through your nose. Let go of the clenching and relax. Take a nice, long, conscious breath in and let it go. Slowly lift your shoulders up to your ears, then drop them down and back. Breathing in and breathing out, softening your shoulders on your exhale. Now jut your lower jaw forward in a way that allows your top teeth to drop behind your bottom teeth. Hold and breathe in and out through your nose. Let go of the hold and take a nice conscious breath in and out. Using your hands or bent first finger, give your entire jawline a rub in a way that feels good for you. Remember to keep breathing. You can also press the knuckle of your first finger into the socket between your jaw and cheekbones. You may also like to use your knuckle in little circular movements all along your jawline, up around your ears and down either side of your neck. Continue the massaging for the next 30 seconds and I will keep time for you. You will hear a chime when I am about to speak again, and remember to keep breathing. Now completely relax and take another long conscious breath in and breathe out. Stay here for as long as you like, maybe even drift off for a rejuvenating nap. If you would like to continue to meditate, there is a link on your screen to a box breathing practice. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.